Hello everyone, this is Tariq Said. I'm a core Rust developer at Arc Builders, and today we'll be checking out Fission, which is a platform for enabling the next generation of app publishing. So, what is Fission? Fission is basically helping to build the essential building blocks for local edge first computing. You can think of identity, data, and compute primitives. This can be really beneficial for both users and developers. For developers, Fission can make it really easy to design an application. You just have to worry about the design and implementing the front end. And since the application will actually be running on the user's device, you don't have to worry about the back end server scaling or DevOps. Fission will take care of all of this. So from a user's point of view, Fission allows you to create a secure identity in your browser. You can create a Fission account, and each Fission account comes with a file system that's linked to it. You can access your files through your mobile or even your desktop or browser. So you can think of this as an open source iCloud. You can also give apps permissions and browse your files, both public and private, from any device that you own with ease. In this video, we will explore Fission accounts and Fission Drive, and then we will do a quick demo to show you how to create a simple web page and publish it using Fission. So yeah, let's get started. So we will be using the official Fission documentation for this video. I will put this link down below in the description for you to check out. I have already created an account for this demo, but let's go through the documentation together. So basically, when you create a Fission account, you get a dedicated file system that you can access from any device that you have logged into your account. You can't actually sign out, but you can give permission to some apps. And you can also link your account to multiple devices at the same time. We will be looking into this as well in a couple of minutes. You can also recover your account. Basically, you will only need to recover your account if you don't have any linked devices, because if you have a number of linked devices, you can use one device to log in on another device, basically link your account. But yeah, they have a special recovery kit for recovering your account if you accidentally lost it by mistake. You can also migrate your account, and you will probably, as far as I understand, you will probably only need this if Fission updates the drive or makes new features available. You will need to migrate your account. And this is the dashboard. So this is my this is my drive. This is my dashboard. You can see my documents here that I have already uploaded for this demo. So these are some documents, and you can also review, I think, photos. So here are some photos that you can see in the browser. So back again to the documentation. And as you can see, as I mentioned in the migration account migration part, you need to give permissions to any application getting access to your file system. So basically, if Fission even for Fission apps. So for Fission Drive, you have to give this permission. So now let's get into the developer side of Fission. So we'll be installing the CLI. I've already installed the CLI locally, and I'll be using this, but the instructions are very simple. So let's run Fission, and as you can see here, there are some command groups, and there are some shortcuts that you can run to run famous commands. So it's pretty easy to interact with. You can basically you can run Fission user help to get the available commands for the help subcommand. OMI is basically telling me current user, and you can see here in my drive that it matches my username. Basically, you can run the help command with any subcommand to get the available subcommands for this command group. So here it says you can log into an existing account using Fission, and also there are some helpful commands for the app command group. So we will be using this in a moment. So now let's try to log in Fission from linking a new device. We'll be using the private window for this. So let's now this could be a new browser, and I already have an account. So let's sign in with Fission. As you can see, I already have an account. So let's just sign in. Username, you can get this from Fission CLI. So let's run this. It's a shortcut. So it's Nasser. Let me just put this in. And Okay, so it says open in the website, but I want to link using the CLI. So let's see some instructions for this. Okay, yeah, this is what we're looking for. So command line linking, we can link using the command line. We have already set up a user. I ran this before the demo. Okay, so this is what we're looking for. So let's type in Fission login to link a web browser using the CLI. And yeah, we expect to see some numbers. So let's try it ourselves. So let's run Fission login. Okay. Let's go back to the browser. And you can see here there are some numbers, 277568. They need to match the numbers in my browser, and they match. So I'm gonna type yes. Okay, so grant access yes. And it says login complete. So let's allow the drive to access our local files. It says here like private and public file system. So let's grant access. It says here logged in as Nasser, which is like my username. So it's basically syncing right now with my file system, and we should be able to browse the same files that I showed you in the first steps of the demo. I was showing you the drive. Okay, here are my files. So these are my local files, and I can go to photos and choose the same photos that I showed you in the beginning of this demo. Okay. Yeah, so that's about linking another device. Now let's get into the web app, working with apps with Fission. What we will be doing is registering an app and publishing via Fission. Okay, so here are the instructions to set up an app. So we need to register an app via Fission. And then there are a couple of commands that we can run to continuously update the app and publish it through Fission. We will examine with those commands in a minute. So let's try this ourselves. Okay, so I already have a basic web app with an HTML file. Let's show you. So here is a file that is using, this is index.html that is using the bunny image. We'll be using this, and it just says hello world from Art Builders. So let's see what we could run. So Fission app help to see the subcommands available for this command group. Okay, we want to register an app, so let's run Fission app register. Okay, I just remembered that I had the same content from this exact file before the demo. So let's run hello from Fission, and then let's register this app. Let's give it a minute. Okay, so we are using this build directory. It's the same directory, and now it's registered. Let's try now to publish this app. So the command to publish is Fission app publish, upload the working directory. We want to run this, and I think there was a shortcut for this command. I guess they mentioned it somewhere here. So yeah, it's called Fission up, which is basically Fission app publish. So let's do this, Fission up. Okay. Now it seems to be up, so let's try this in our browser. Okay, and hello from Art Builders. This is what we expected, and it's working fine. This is basically using IPFS for the infrastructure. So they basically have some YAML files for the configuration. They have a global YAML file for global configuration, and yeah, it contains basic information for the user himself. There is also some specific YAML file for each web app you have. You can also set some ignore files, some files to ignore. Okay, so let's check this out for our application that's using basically an index.html and an image. So it created this file when we ran Fission app register. Okay, it's pretty basic. And yeah, that's about it. I advise you to go through the developer examples. They have very interesting examples. And the first one is like basically a codes app that is written in Elm and uses Fission login, so you can log in with your account and see how the app is built. It's also open source, so you can go through the code yourself. What I want to mention is the white paper. The technology behind the Fission is amazing, and I advise you to go through the white paper itself. I will put this link down in the description of the video for you to check out. So basically they have shipped the major parts of the original white paper. So yeah, please go check it out. It's amazing, and if you are interested in the technology behind Fission, and if you are interested in local first in general, this is an amazing place to start. Okay, so last thing, I want you to go check out the GitHub organization of Arc Builders. I will put this link down below. Here at Arc Builders, we are actually building a suite of applications that allow for easy sharing of files across platforms. We are also focusing on a local first storage of content. All of these repositories and apps are open source, and we welcome contributions. So if you are interested, just feel free to reach out to us. This is also the website for Arc Builders. You can find more information about the applications that we are building. And yeah, that's about it. So thank you for sticking around, and see you on another video.